Welcome to the first of 3 modules on developing a prototype for your business. This material has been created through a collaboration between Brad Barbeau, Associate Professor in the College of Business, and Marta Gubanova, a master's student in the Instructional Science and Technology program in the School of Computing and Design, both of CSU Monterey Bay. The goal of these modules is to apply a customer-centered approach to prototype development at a level of understanding for entrepreneurs who are not professional designers, but who want to make their businesses successful by building their customers' needs, wants, and perceptions into every element of their businesses. It is a fundamental principle of entrepreneurship that predicting the future is fraught with error. That as entrepreneurs, what we want to do is influence the future to go the way we want. Alan Kay said that the best way to predict the future is to invent it. In the spirit of our work, we might say that the best way to predict the future is to design it. These modules will show you how. What is design? Charles Ames, one of the great furniture designers of all time, emphasized that design must be driven by purpose. In our case, design is driven by solving the problems that our customers face. The title of this course, Designing New Ventures, is not an accident. We believe that entrepreneurship is fundamentally a design process. We design our products, we design our business models, our strategies, our marketing. It's all design all the way down. We need to distinguish good design from bad design. Good design is more than we'll know it when we see it. Good design solves customers' problems without creating new ones. Good design makes our products and services a delight to use. Bad design, however, has consequences. Bad design makes products difficult or impossible to use, cumbersome to learn, and can even pose a threat to future generations. What is the design problem with this anti-theft mechanism? So let's engage with a process that, combined with lots of elbow grease and creativity, can lead us to great designs for our prototypes. Great design applies your creativity and problem solving to a deep understanding of your customer, the problems they face, and the context in which their problems arise. You've already done some design work in developing the idea for your business, gaining an initial understanding of who your customer is and what problem you're solving for them, and how you propose to solve that problem. This is summarized in your value proposition. Now, we need to translate that value proposition into an actual product or service. This is going to be an iterative process, meaning that the path from value proposition to saleable product or service is going to have many steps, each of which sharpens the ability of your proposed product or service to solve your customer's problem. The end point of our journey for this stage of developing the business will be a product prototype. Let's start by understanding our customers at a new level. We're going to do a deeper dive into understanding our customers. If you recall, this is the first step in the design thinking process. We've done previous work to understand our customers. This round will take us deeper so that we can understand their wants and needs at a much greater degree of precision and detail than we have so far. We're going to create a customer persona for a specific customer. This persona will define a clear picture of a specific user type that your team can focus on and align around. Having specific user representations gets us away from designing for ourselves and disagreeing on what the user wants. Here's an example of a customer persona that might have been created for designing an online book app. It is a one-slide summary of a specific person, who she is, what her goals are, what some of her key concerns and frustrations are, what her reading habits are, some of her favorite books. I'm not excited about the name they gave her. It implies a judgment rather than a description, but giving her a specific name is an important part of the process. You'll want to build your persona around the problem that you're solving and your value proposition. You'll create a specific person, give him or her a name, with a specific identity, concerns, habits, and so on. Focus on the specific goals and concerns related to your problem, but also you want to understand the background and context in which the problem arises. Note that all problems exist in customers' heads. They are images of wants and needs that are created by the customer's interpretations and experiences of their situation and their personal goals. So you need to be solving the customer's problems as they understand them, not as you understand them. Here are some examples of information that might be included in a persona. An image of the person, their name, their age, gender, other items in their background, what's their education. A quote summarizing their needs and wants, summing up their attitude about the problem that you're dealing with. What's their skill level in dealing with the problem? Provide a scenario in which the need or the want occurs. What are their goals? What are they thinking? What are they feeling? What are their pain points? Your persona should contain at least a photo, a name, a specific name for your person, a tagline characterizing this customer type, a description of who they are. Be very specific. This is a specific person, not a general person. What's their context? Create a brief scenario in which they would find themselves when they were using your product. What's important to them? What are their pain points? Put all of this into a slide deck and submit your persona slide deck on iLearn prior to class on Tuesday. Be well, be safe, and we'll see you on Zoom on Tuesday.